back to Qui Nichelle. We're on the channel. We talk about fashion, beauty, and life. Today, I am bringing you a Pinterest look-alike. I will be showing you 3 different model versus me looks. Also, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I do want to go ahead and thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing the video and subscribing to the channel. So let's just get right into it. I do have on a simple all black jumpsuit. Now this is a pants jumpsuit, but I did pull up the legs just to give it the exact look that the model had on Pinterest. I do have on these snakeskin shoes, which I did show y'all in a rainbow and Walmart haul. So make sure you check that video out, and I will link that video to this video. This is, like I said, a simple all black jumpsuit. The model has V-neck, I have crew neck, but you do get the gist, and it's essentially the same look. She did have on snakeskin shoes, the exact same style as these shoes I'm wearing today. Also, the model did have on sunglasses, so I did put some sunglasses in my hair, but my prescription sunglasses are not here, so of course I'm wearing my regular glasses. But you all do get the gist of how it looked. Also, the model did not have a purse, but of course, if you want to incorporate a little bit of you know, in these looks, of course you can do that. So I would definitely carry my cute little all black and gold mailbox purse. This purse also can be a crossbody purse, but I generally don't wear it like that. Every blue moon, whenever I carry it, I may wear it like that, but I generally just, you know, tote it like this, or, you know, do this one right here. But the jumpsuit came from Ross. This jumpsuit was about $12. This is a 3X jumpsuit or 2X jumpsuit. It does have a functional drawstring right here. It does have functional pockets. And like I said, this is a pants jumpsuit. So if I did wear the pants legs down, I would definitely put on sandals with this look just so that it flows, because when you put the pants legs down with these shoes, it just didn't look right to me. Of course, you can incorporate any type of denim jacket, shirt, you know, plaid shirt, whatever you want to do if you don't, you know, feel comfortable with your arms out. But I definitely would wear it just like this. So you can wear any type of hairstyle with this look. I just decided to do long hair today. I do have on a basic hoop, which I know I love hoops, and I generally wear hoops 99% of the time. But that is this cute, simple look. I do have on my watch and just you know, regular tennis bracelet. You could do a lot of bracelets, no bracelet, however you really want to rock this look. The model has simple jewelry as well. So this is this cute look. Okay, so now we have this cute little jogger look. This is a very comfortable, on-the-go kind of look. The model did have on some Nikes, I believe, but I decided to go ahead and pair it with some Toms. And I do have on this just simple black bodysuit that ties up, of course, right here. This bodysuit also was in that same video, I do believe. Or if not, it was in another rainbow video, because this did come from Rainbow. This is a 3X. The joggers are 3X. The joggers came from Ross. And then I just paired it with a denim jacket, of course, how the model did it. She also had on sunglasses. She did have a purse. So I have 2 different purses. And because I went with red, and this is what I was saying, you can incorporate you in these looks. Because she had on like white Nikes with like a new kind of purse. So like I said, I decided to do Toms, and I decided to just pair with a red purse, of course, to match the shoes. So you can definitely go with this look here, or you could do a little bit edgier look. This is, of course, a crossbody, and it is red, but it does have like a lot of zippers and give it just a little cute little edgy look. So you could definitely go crossbody with this look, or you could do your little tote. This also could be a crossbody And of course, because of the shape of it, just like with the mailbox purse, I rarely wear it like that. But you definitely have two different looks you can go for. I personally don't know which one I would choose. It would just have to determine however I felt that day. But you definitely, like I said, can incorporate your own. I wanted some color with this because it's just gray and black. Plus I don't have any all white Nikes anyway to even show y'all with the look. But I think this is cuter. I think it gives it a little bit more jazz and just a little bit more definition to your outfit. So that is this simple, cute look as well. And like I said, I just have on a simple bodysuit with the denim jacket. It's real cute. And of course you can do any pop of color because gray and black are both neutral colors. So any pop of color you choose. I just went with red because I do like red as a pop of color. But that is this cute look right here. Okay, so last but not least, we have a bodycon dress, checker shirt, and classic chucks. The model had on a little bit longer bodycon dress, a plaid shirt, and high top chucks. Same chucks, but just I have on low top, she got on high top. She had on a plaid shirt, I have on checkered, but it is essentially the same look. This is so simple, chillax, you know, cool kind of day, movies, brunch, whatever you want to do, but this is like the ultimate chill look. You also could wear this shirt on. I would of course 3/4 length the sleeve just to give it a little bit more definition. And I would probably carry a smaller bag. I wouldn't do a bag this big with this look, nor would I do a crossbody. But if I did decide to wear the shirt on, I would definitely do a fanny pack. I think there's still that dress down, chill kind of vibes look. I would definitely do anything in this outfit. It's comfortable. The dress, stretchy, came from Rainbow. The shirt came from Walmart. And of course the shoes came from Converse. I got on a simple hoop earring. And of course I have the sunglasses just because the model has the sunglasses. But that is the simple, chill look. Also, with all three of these looks, y'all, I would definitely wear my hair long, short, high bun, braids, faux locks, whatever kind of way your hair is. All of these looks will be cute like that. These all are like versatile looks, simple, chill vibes. This is like their complete weekend look. So I definitely think all of these, you can wear your hair any kind of way. You of course can incorporate any kind of bag you like. I just give y'all my take and my opinion on these looks. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.